Okay, this is how I start my day. 6 in the morning, going to work. So I'm headed out right now. And it's still dark outside. It's dark when I go to work, and it's dark when I come back home. 12-hour shifts for you. But okay, so I'm in my car. Oh my God, it's so cold outside. This Monday morning is cold. Look at this. Hold on, look. Hold on, you guys. Look at this. Can you believe it's California? But it's so cold this morning. Look at the temperature. 41 degrees outside, you guys, in California. But oh my God, it's so cold. So I'm on my way to work, you guys. So I'm on my way to work. Get this 12-hour shift over, and hopefully I'll have a great day. So wish me luck, you guys, for my great day at work, and I hope I don't have any problems. And we just gonna put it in the atmosphere. Today is gonna be a great day. Ooh, I need to put some chapstick on my lips. Okay, we're just gonna put it in the atmosphere. Today is gonna be a great day. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, let me put my glasses on. I have to have my glasses when I'm driving, you guys. I can't see far off. So I need my glasses when I'm driving. And I love my eyeglass look. I need some lip gloss. Where is my lip gloss? Okay, let me put a little gloss on my lips. With a little tinge of color, which really don't matter because I'm gonna be wearing a mask all day anyways. But my lips are just so dry. Something, honey. I don't want to be having. I don't want you to see all the different states. The states on my lips because they're so dry. That's what happens when your lips are so dry. It looks like the shape of every state on your lips. So don't be walking around with dry lips, y'all. Okay. All right, that's better. Okay. All right, y'all. So I gotta drive now. So I will talk to you guys later. See you. Okay, so I will see you guys later. Okay, so I gotta get to work, girl, because it is 6:13. So I will see you guys soon. Okay, guys. So I'm out of my car now, and I'm walking. So for the past, I think I've been here at this job for like almost 7 years now. So ever since I started working here, I would park my car a good little piece from my job, and then I walk. Plus, I didn't want to pay for parking. So that's why. And you guys, I've found that doing just that little bit of walking to my car and from my car has really helped me lose a lot of inches and weight. So I'm glad I started doing that. And plus, I'm trying to do stuff that's good for my health, for my heart, because I'm not getting younger, even though you can't tell. But anyhow, so that's one of the tips that you guys can do if you want to lose a little weight. Just park further away from wherever you're gonna go, and you know, whenever you're going somewhere, just park further off, and then get those extra steps in, and that helps with your weight. I've been doing it for like almost 7 years now with this job, and I've lost a lot of weight, so I'm very proud of that. Okay, so I'm almost there, so I will talk to you guys soon. Make sure I'm not sweating. Don't want to be all sweaty when I get to work. Okay, I'm not sweating. Okay, see you guys soon. I made it to work. Going to clock in. Okay, you guys, it is 7 o'clock and I'm getting ready to clock out. So this is another day because I forgot to film my day going home that day. So another day, another 12 hours. And I'm getting ready to clock out right now. So I will be clocking out right now. Okay guys, so this is another day, but I'm getting ready to clock out now. So this is another day because I forgot to record the day, so I'm gonna clock out now. Okay, hold on, somebody's calling me, so I gotta go. My friends that I walk with, they're calling me. So I will see you guys when I get home, okay? Okay guys, I just made it home. Just made it home, you guys. I'm home. Thank God. Oh my God, it's a long day. So now it is shower time. Okay, so now it's shower time. My water's really ready for me right now. So shower time. I'll see you guys in a few. And yes, I love my red light because it relaxes me. Okay guys, so it's about 9 p.m. right now and I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go to sleep, so I have to wake up and do this all over again tomorrow. So good night. I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, good night.